Hi everybody, welcome to Water Dog Tarot. My name is Christopher Williams and I'm joining you here from Seattle, Washington, where another month of quarantine is expected. So thank you very much for using your spare time and coming to my channel. This is the second installment of my series on how to learn how to tarot. The first installment is available on my channel. Please go there if you'd like to see it. But let's get started with the second installment, which is about the Minor Arcana and the Major Arcana, the two major segments of the tarot. So the Minor Arcana represents sort of life's shortcomings on a small scale, sort of the everyday problems that we encounter in our everyday life. And it's made up of 56 cards that highly resemble the 52 cards you use in a poker game, with a couple of minor differences. The first difference is that there are 4 suits in the tarot, just like in poker, but the suits are called different things. So you can think about it like this. Swords in the tarot are spades in poker. Wands in tarot are clubs in poker. Cups in tarot are hearts in poker. And finally, pentacles in tarot are diamonds in poker. So that's the first major differences. 4 suits called different things, but still 4 suits. The second major difference is that the court cards in tarot are joined by a 4th court card in addition to the usual Jack, Queen, and King. That 4th card is called the Page, and it represents the childlike essence of the suit. So in tarot, you have 56 cards made up of 4 suits, 1 through 10, a page, a knight, a queen, and a king, and an ace to top it all off. So that's the Minor Arcana. Now the Major Arcana is made up of 22 cards. Cards numbers 0 through 21. This is card 0. It's the Fool card, and it starts off what is a great epic story about his life and death and everything after that happens in the Major Arcana. So therefore, the Major Arcana represents life's larger problems, the coming and going of life's challenges and opportunities and major obstacles and things like that. So more Major Arcana cards that come up in a reading, the more likely that the reading is somehow significant or concerns larger problems that don't necessarily involve the reader themselves, but rather the larger things that are moving about in their life. So that's the major difference between poker and the tarot. Remember, the tarot is made up of 2 types of cards. Minor Arcana for little stuff, Major Arcana for the big stuff. And there you go. So thank you very much for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you saw here, and I look forward to seeing you on the full moon, April 7th, for your full moon reading.